Welcome to our video. I've got a great topic for you today. Can you avoid jail after a third-time DUI? Well, first of all, let's talk about the mandatory minimums if you ever pled guilty to that. You would be facing a mandatory minimum 120-day jail term, 3-year driving prohibition under the criminal code, but more importantly, the Ministry of Transportation is going to take your license for a lifetime, reviewable after 10 years potentially. So very serious repercussions. And the jail term could be much longer than that. The jail term can be up to 10 years depending on the aggravated nature of the situation. So obviously people want to avoid a jail term, and there are ways and means of doing that. Number one, if you have a winning case, potentially, let's say it's 50% chance of winning or more, you may want to proceed to trial if the Crown's not giving you a good deal. Maybe you've got a great chance of winning, and if you can find a good trial lawyer, that may be the best option for you. On the other hand, let's say you have a case that looks fairly winning. You've got a decent chance of winning. The Crown might play ball then because they might say, well, look, they've got a pretty good chance of winning. The Crown could win. So we won't rely on notice of application of increased penalty. We won't rely on those two priors. But we will do is agree to a joint submission for house arrest. So that might be a great deal, a way to avoid jail. That's called a conditional sentence where you say, confined to your home for 6, 8, 9, 12 months, but you can go to work every day, you can go to church services, do your groceries. I mean, it's not a bad deal in that situation versus spending 6, 12 months in jail or at a minimum 3. So there are ways and means of avoiding jail. It really depends on the individual case. The Crown may have a very strong case against you where you can't avoid a jail term, but you may wish to roll a dice. A lot of people facing a third-time DUI, if the Crown's not playing ball and they're asking for the mandatory minimums or higher, they say, well, I'm just going to roll the dice and go to trial. I got nothing to lose, and maybe something will happen at trial, and sometimes it does. And other cases may be quite winning. So you have to go to your lawyer, assess it, and make the right decision for you, which often means you can win your case or avoid jail in some cases. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.